It might surprise you, but fillers absolutely can help with dark circles under the eyes when your dark circles are caused by volume loss. Often, with time, we start to lose volume in the midface and in the under eyes. When this happens, the cheek becomes a little bit more sunken. We go from the cheek being nice and flat, we're losing volume, and this happens. We get this deflating of the area. Now, when it's sunken like this, a shadow is cast because the light can't hit here. So what we do is we use fillers to replace that lost volume and get that area out of the shadow into the light. So we take this sunken area, we're filling. Once we've restored that volume, light can now reach that skin, reflect off, and you get that brightening appearance. No more shadows. I hope this was helpful. Until next time, stay beautiful.